In this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem a Best Buy gift card online. If you find this video useful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, as you can see, I'm on bestbuy.com, and now make sure to log in, and then once you're logged in, find that item or product you'd like to redeem your Best Buy gift card. So for demonstrations, I'm just going to click on these headphones and click this add to my cart. And now, as you can see, that's added to my cart. And now I'm going to go to my cart. And I've got two products in here, so I'm going to remove the other products. I don't need this. So I'm going to go, click on remove. I'm going to remove that TV. So here's the product. I've got a Sony wireless noise cancelling headphones. So now from here, I want to go to checkout. And now this is where you can redeem your Best Buy gift card. So you can sign in or continue as guest. I'm just going to continue as a guest. And then just double check your order. After that, go ahead and click on continue to payment method information, And then this is where you can add your gift card. So where it says here, it says add gift cards, or on the right it says add gift card. So simply click on that, put in your card number or discount code to redeem your Best Buy gift card online.